Ever wondered when you created your Facebook account? Here are two quick ways to check your Facebook joining date. First, open the Facebook app. Go to your profile page. Tap on Details or About. Scroll down and look for your joined Facebook date. Note, this method doesn't work for everyone. Sometimes the date is missing. If you don't see it there, this method always works. Tap the menu icon, then go to Settings. Open Account Center. Scroll down and tap Your Information and Permissions. Now tap Access Your Information. Select your Facebook account. Tap Personal Information. And here you'll see your account creation date at the top. And that's it. Now you know exactly when your Facebook account was created. Follow and subscribe for more Facebook tips and hidden features.